Okay, today we're going to do our last little bit in science. So we are going to use our scale. This is our balance scale. Let me get a little closer to you. Okay, we're going to get to use our balance scale today, and we're going to weigh things. We're going to see if it goes down, that means it's heavy. But if it stays the same, that means they're equal. So let's see. We are going to use a popsicle and a lemon. So let's see. What's heavier? What's pushed down the furthest? The lemon. Okay, so look. When you are a scientist, you use your clipboard and your paper, and it says weigh it. And I know y'all are seeing it backwards, but it says heavy, light. So we're going to write down the things that are heavy and light. So I'm going to get a marker. So in our scale, the lemon was heavy, but the popsicle was light. So I'm going to write heavy, lemon. And under light, that means it's not very heavy. I wrote popsicle. Just like this. And I know it's backwards, but lemon, popsicle. You could also draw a picture. You could draw, well, my lemon's going to be blue. And so is my popsicle. So my lemon and my popsicle. Then I'm going to put my clipboard and marker back over here, and I'm going to measure more. So now I have two foam blocks. One's larger, one's smaller. Which one do you think will be the heavier one? Let's see. Which one went all the way down? The purple block. So on here, I'm going to put that the heavier block was the bigger one. I'm going to draw a bigger block. And the lighter one was the smaller one. Now, if we were really doing this, you could use your crayons and color it the correct way. Okay, let's do one more measuring with our scale. So this time I have a car. It's like a little mini car. And I have a block, just one little block, and it's hollow. That means there's nothing in the middle. So we're going to see which one's heavier. Which one was heavier? The car. So I'm going to write or draw a picture of the car. Then I'm just going to draw a picture of the block. Okay, so I drew my car under heavy and my block under light. And now I'm going to close my marker, and we're going to put away our scale, and we're going to do something different. Now we're going to measure whether something is short, meaning it's not as tall, short, or if it's long. So we're going to see, okay? Notice that on here, I know it's backwards, but notice this line is smaller or shorter, and this line is larger or longer. So let's measure. To measure, we're going to use our cubes. We're going to put our cubes together and count how many cubes something is. So we're only going to measure one thing today. We're going to measure our blocks. And we're trying to figure out which block is longer or shorter. So I'm going to use my cubes, and I'm going to put them together. I'm going to do one. You see I put it on the edge? You have to put it on the edge. 2, 3. Do I still need more? Yes. 4. 5. So my block is 5 cubes long. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that our purple cube is 5 cubes long. Now we have our red cube. So let's measure it. 1, 2. It's about 2 cubes long. So, is 2 more or less than 5? Which one would be our shorter object? Our red cube. Good job. So, under short, we're going to write, we're going to draw a picture of our cube. Now, when you're here, you can draw it and then you can color it red so you know. And I'm going to say 2 cubes long. Just like this. And I know it's backwards, but y'all can kind of see what I'm doing. I have my block and it says 2 cubes long. Now I would go back and color my block red. So now we have our next cube, our purple cube. And we're going to draw it bigger. And do y'all remember how many cubes long our purple cube was? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to write 5 cubes long. And guys, this was our first experiment. This was a science experiment. We learned how to measure with our scale. We measured with our cubes, and we had a great time. So guys, I'm excited to see y'all, and I will see y'all later. Have a great day.